Introduction: Profiting in any market condition. Most investors believe success depends on timing the market perfectly. Buy low, sell high, and hope you guessed right. But Jim Cramer, one of the most recognized voices in finance, argues that this belief is both misleading and dangerous. In How to Make Money in Any Market, he shows that wealth is not built on luck or timing. It's built on preparation, discipline, and strategy. Cramer's career has spanned decades of bull markets, bear markets, crashes, and recoveries. As the host,
Theme 1. Understanding Market Cycles, the Rhythm of Opportunity. Markets move in cycles, just like the seasons. There are periods of growth, decline, and stagnation, each phase bringing its own unique challenges and opportunities. Jim Cramer insists that the first step to making money in any market is understanding these cycles, not fearing them, not trying to predict them perfectly, but recognizing their patterns and preparing to act accordingly. A bull market is the season of optimism. Prices rise, confidence grows, and investors feel unstoppable. It's easy to believe the good times will last forever, but Cramer warns that bull markets often...
Theme 2. Strategies for bull markets, riding the wave responsibly. Bull markets are the season of optimism. Prices rise, confidence soars, and investors feel unstoppable. It's easy to believe the good times will last forever, but Jim Cramer warns that bull markets, while exciting, can be dangerous if approached recklessly. The key is to ride the wave responsibly, taking advantage of growth while protecting yourself from inevitable corrections. Cramer explains that bull markets reward momentum. Strong companies grow stronger, and investors who position themselves early can see significant gains. But momentum can also blind people. In the rush to chase rising stocks, many forget fundamentals. Theme 3. Strategies for bear markets, turning fear into opportunity. Bear markets are the season of fear. Prices tumble, headlines scream panic, and investors rush to sell. For many, it feels like the end of the world. But Jim Cramer insists that bear markets are not disasters. They are opportunities for disciplined investors who know how to play defense and position themselves for the recovery that always follows. The first strategy in a bear market is defense. When markets fall, protecting capital becomes the priority. Cramer advises shifting into safer assets, cash, bonds, and defensive sectors like utilities, healthcare, and consumer staples. These areas tend to hold value better during downturns because people still need electricity, medicine, and basic goods no matter what the economy does. The second strategy is spotting bargains. Bear markets drive prices down across the board, often punishing strong companies along with weak ones. This creates opportunities for value investors. Cramer encourages looking for businesses with solid fundamentals, strong balance sheets, reliable earnings, and competitive advantages that are temporarily undervalued. Buying these companies during downturns can set you up for significant gains when the market rebounds. The third strategy is emotional discipline. Fear is the dominant emotion in bear markets, and it leads investors to sell at the worst possible time. Cramer stresses that successful investors resist panic. Instead of dumping stocks in despair, they evaluate carefully. Is the company truly broken, or is it simply caught in the storm? Emotional discipline allows you to distinguish between temporary declines and permanent problems. Another key tactic is using stop losses and hedges. Stop losses protect you from catastrophic losses by automatically selling positions if they fall below a certain level. Hedging with options or inverse ETFs can reduce risk.
These tools give investors control in an environment that feels uncontrollable. Cramer also highlights the importance of patience. Bear markets don't end overnight. They can drag on for months or even years. But history shows that every bear market eventually gives way to a bull market. Investors who stay disciplined, protect capital, and buy value when others are fearful position themselves for the recovery. Emotionally, bear markets test courage. It's easy to feel hopeless when prices fall day after day. But Cramer reminds us that downturns are part of the cycle. They cleanse excess, reset valuations, and create the foundation for future growth. The investors who endure the storm emerge stronger, wealthier, and wiser. The lesson is clear. Bear markets are not the end. They are the beginning of opportunity. By playing defense, spotting bargains, maintaining discipline, and preparing for recovery, you can turn fear into profit. In short, bear markets are not something to dread, they are something to master. And if you follow Cramer's strategies, you'll not only survive the downturn, but you'll thrive when the next bull market arrives.
Theme 4. Sideways and volatile markets. Profiting in the pause. Not every market moves with a clear direction. Sometimes prices rise and fall within a narrow range, leaving investors frustrated. Other times, volatility dominates, wild swings up and down that make the market feel unpredictable. Jim Cramer calls these environments the pause between cycles, and he insists that opportunity still exists if you know how to play them. Sideways markets test patience. Investors often feel stuck, waiting for a breakout that never comes. Many overtrade, chasing small moves and racking up losses. Cramer warns against this trap. Instead, he advises focusing on income strategies. Dividends become powerful in stagnant markets. Companies that consistently pay and grow dividends reward investors even when stock prices don't move. By building a portfolio of dividend-paying stocks, you generate cash flow while waiting for the next cycle. Volatile markets, on the other hand, test discipline. Prices swing wildly, driven by uncertainty, headlines, or speculation. It's tempting to react emotionally, buying on spikes, selling on dips. But Cramer emphasizes that volatility is not chaos, it's opportunity. Traders who understand ranges can profit by buying near support and selling near resistance. Long-term investors can use volatility to accumulate shares of strong companies at discounted prices. Another strategy is tactical positioning. In sideways or volatile markets, certain sectors outperform. Defensive industries like healthcare, utilities, and consumer staples often provide stability. Meanwhile, cyclical sectors may offer short bursts of opportunity. By rotating strategically, investors can capture gains without relying on broad market direction. Cramer also highlights the importance of cash management. Holding cash in sideways markets gives you flexibility. It allows you to act quickly when opportunities arise, instead of being fully invested and stuck. In volatile markets, cash cushions against emotional decisions, giving you confidence to buy when others panic. Emotionally, these markets are draining. Sideways markets bore investors into mistakes. Volatile markets scare them into rash decisions. Cramer insists that success requires emotional control, patience in stagnation, courage in volatility. By mastering your mindset, you gain an edge over those who react impulsively. He also reminds us that sideways and volatile markets are temporary. They are transitions between bull and bear cycles. The investors who endure them with discipline position themselves for the next big move. Those who panic or overtrade often miss the breakout entirely. The lesson is clear. You don't need clear direction to make money. Sideways markets reward dividend strategies and patience.
Volatile markets reward discipline and tactical moves. Both environments test emotional strength, but both offer opportunities for those prepared to act wisely. In short, sideways and volatile markets are not wasted time, they are proving grounds. They separate disciplined investors from impulsive ones. And if you follow Cramer's strategies, you'll not only survive the pause, but you'll profit from it.
Theme 5. Risk Management and Discipline, the Investor's Shield. Making money in any market isn't just about finding opportunities, it's about protecting yourself from danger. Jim Cramer emphasizes that risk management and discipline are the true shields of successful investors. Without them, even the best strategies collapse under pressure. With them, you can survive downturns, thrive in volatility, and build wealth that lasts. The first principle of risk management is capital preservation. Cramer insists that your number one job as an investor is not to lose money unnecessarily. This means setting stop losses to limit downside, diversifying across industries, and never letting one position dominate your portfolio. Protecting capital ensures you live to fight another day, no matter what the market throws at you. The second principle is portfolio balance. Too many investors chase hot stocks or trendy sectors, leaving themselves exposed when cycles shift. Cramer advises spreading investments across growth, value, defensive, and income-producing assets. Balance cushions against shocks and allows you to adapt without panic. The third principle is discipline. Markets are driven by emotion, fear in downturns, greed in rallies. Discipline means resisting those impulses. It means sticking to your plan, following your rules, and ignoring the noise. Cramer reminds us that discipline is what separates investors from speculators. Speculators gamble, investors execute strategy. Another key tactic is knowing when to sell. Many investors fall in love with their stocks, holding them long after fundamentals deteriorate. Cramer stresses that selling is not failure, it's strategy. By cutting losers early, you free capital for better opportunities. Discipline in selling is just as important as discipline in buying. Risk management also involves hedging. Tools like options, inverse ETFs, or sector rotation can reduce exposure during uncertain times. Hedging is not about eliminating risk, it's about controlling it. Cramer teaches that smart investors always have a plan for defense, even while pursuing offense. Emotionally, discipline requires humility. You must accept that you won't always be right. You must resist the urge to chase hype or panic during downturns. You must remember that investing is a marathon, not a sprint. Cramer insists that humility and patience are as important as analysis and timing. The lesson is clear. Risk management and discipline are not optional. They are essential. Without them, gains vanish in the next downturn. With them, you build resilience, confidence, and long-term success. In short, risk management is the shield, and discipline is the sword. Together, they allow you to navigate bull, bear, and sideways markets with strength. And if you follow Cramer's principles, you'll not only protect your wealth, you'll grow it steadily, no matter what the market does. Conclusion: thriving in any market. The market will always change, but your ability to adapt can remain constant. That's the ultimate lesson Jim Cramer delivers in How to Make Money in Any Market. Bull markets, bear markets, sideways markets, volatile swings, each phase brings its own challenges, but also its own opportunities. The difference between success and failure lies not in predicting the future, but in preparing for it. Throughout this journey, we've seen how bull markets reward momentum but demand discipline, how bear markets test courage yet offer bargains, and how sideways or volatile markets challenge patience but reward strategy. We've learned that risk management and discipline are the shields that protect wealth, and that emotional control is the secret weapon that separates investors from speculators.
Cramer's philosophy is simple yet powerful. You can make money in any market if you respect the cycle, manage risk, and stay disciplined. The market is not your enemy, it is your teacher. Every rise and fall, every surge and crash is a lesson in resilience, patience, and adaptability. The closing message is one of empowerment. You don't need perfect timing. You don't need to predict the next headline. What you need is preparation, discipline, and the courage to act when others hesitate. If you build these habits, you'll not only survive the storms, you'll thrive in them. Remember, wealth is not built in a straight line. It's built through cycles, through discipline, and through the ability to see opportunity where others see chaos. Jim Cramer's wisdom reminds us that the market is not a gamble, it's a game of strategy. And if you play it wisely, you can win in any condition. So ask yourself, are you ready to stop fearing the market and start mastering it? Because the tools are in your hands, and the opportunities are always there, waiting for those prepared to seize them. If you found this audiobook summary valuable, don't let it end here. Hit that like button to show your support. Subscribe to the channel for more powerful summaries of the world's best business and investing books, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new upload. Drop a comment below. Which of Jim Cramer's strategies will you apply in your own investing journey? Sharing your thoughts not only helps you reflect, but also inspires others in our community. And if you want to keep learning, check out the next audiobook summary linked in the description, because your journey to financial freedom doesn't stop here. This is your moment. Take action, build knowledge, and make money in any market.